Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Hive Smart Thermostat in 2026. So first of all, you need to identify whether you have a Hive 2 thermostat or whether you are using a Hive Thermostat Mini. So this is Hive Thermostat and this is Hive Thermostat Mini. So over here, first of all, in order to basically reset the standard Hive to thermostat, you just have to simply take a look at the back arrow button, which is this button, and this is the menu button. So you just have to simply press and hold the back arrow button and the menu buttons together. Just keep holding them until factory reset appears on the screen and the countdown reaches 0. So once the countdown finishes, simply release the button, and that's how you can reset it. Now, if you have the Hive Thermostat Mini, you just have to simply take a look at the down arrow button, which is this button, and this is the circle or the O button. So you need to simply press and hold these two buttons together. Just keep holding them until the countdown completes and the Hive logo appears over here. So the thermostat should then enter into the searching mode automatically. After the reset, you should see searching displayed on the thermostat. So this is actually a good sign. It means that the thermostat has cleared all the previous connection information and it is now looking for the recover again. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.